welcome. I wanted to make this short little video here to show you how to sign up for an appointment using the Blend calendar. So as you can see here, I'm at the main homepage of my Plurth course. Now, the same process goes for any course that you might be taking with me, or any course, for that matter, that you might be signing up for appointments with any of your other instructors. To sign up for appointments, you need to go over to the main navigation bar of Blend, this blue navigation bar, and you need to click Calendar. Now the calendar is going to populate with assignments as well as appointments for your other courses. You can also see all your courses here. If you want to toggle them on or off, you can just click this little icon to remove any events or other courses that might be too overloading on the calendar at one time. To schedule an appointment, all you need to do is go up here and click Find Appointments. And then you're going to select a course that you would like to find an appointment for. So if I'm looking for Plurth, I would select Plurth. If I wanted chemistry, I might select chemistry if you're one of my students, or any other of your courses. When you click Submit, this is going to show you all the available appointments on my calendar. So right now it's by month, so you can see this Tuesday I have appointments from 4:30 to 6:20, and you can sign up for any of these times. Same thing for here for Saturday from 3 to 4. To sign up for an appointment, click the box. Now, if the appointment is allowing more than one people available, you'll see here how many slots are still available, and it might actually show you who is also signed up for this time slot. So if you want that time yourself, you really need that one-on-one time, definitely make sure that you're signing up for one that doesn't already have somebody present. If you're signing up with your group, so if your biodiversity group is meeting with me, feel free, you both can sign up, or 3 of you, or just one of you can sign up. It's totally fine, whichever way. I don't have any specifications. And then all you need to do is to help me prepare in case I need to bring anything or ensure I'm ready for something. If you'll just let me know what you need to meet for office hours for. So I might say review nomenclature rules. Well, I guess that is for chemistry, not Plurth, but same example. And then I would hit reserve. Now, when I reserve that appointment, the appointment becomes added to my calendar. So you can see here that the appointment has been added and it's reserved by me. If I want to close the appointments, I can hit close, and it'll still remain here. Whoops, sorry, I accidentally clicked the button. It'll still remain that I have this appointment scheduled. If something comes up and you don't need the appointment anymore, you can also click it and unreserve, and that will remove you from that time slot. You can also look for other time slots if that time slot is not working for you. Now, keep in mind, I try to, when you click Find Appointment, right, so you can see all of my appointments available. I try to delete all of these appointments at 8 a.m. on the morning of the appointments, merely because I don't want students to come in and at 4:30 sign up for a 5:10 appointment, because it's hard for me to reschedule the day once that time has passed. So please make sure that you're signing up for appointments early. Sometimes I let them go until later, roughly around lunchtime, just to make sure if anybody needs help. Of course, if the appointments aren't available and you need one, just send me a message in the Blend inbox and I'm happy to help. I hope this was helpful in how to schedule an appointment versus Blend. If you have any questions, of course, reach out. Thanks for tuning in.